Also, tonight's video, it's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. We usually have this every night, and I must say a big thank you to you guys for always sharing your trading results with me. Okay, yesterday's results were amazing, and I'm really happy that you guys took advantage of the market, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets you will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your smart trading capital into something reasonable. So many people have done this before, so you too can also do the same. Now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and of course, just the way we are seeing it, this is 5-minute time frame, and of course I am using the 3M trend neo cat trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. This started an uptrend right from here, and it has gotten to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out from there, so it went down on downtrend, but was unable to break out. It had a break at this support zone. It was unable to break out below it. Okay, so it went back up. Okay, so once it gets to this resistance zone, then it will go back on downtrend again. For now, it is still buying. It might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction of the market into a sell trend, most especially if it's unable to break out above that resistance zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and of course this actually went on downtrend, went back up on uptrend, but was unable to break out above this resistance, so it is selling at this moment. Once it breaks out below this support zone, then the next support zone is somewhere here, so it will keep on selling till it gets to this region, but it needs to break out below that first. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Then the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, and this had been on a very strong uptrend. It is approaching this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, then it will go back on sell trend. So this is still buying at the moment. It might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into a sell trend, most especially if it's unable to break out above that resistance zone. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500, and this had been selling for a very long time, most especially when it broke out from this support zone, and it has gotten to this support zone. Even though it will be trying it out again, if it breaks out below it, then cool, it will keep on selling, but if it does not, it will go back on buy trend. This is still selling at the moment. It might not be for a very long time before it will change into a buy trend. Okay, so the last asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is volatility 75. This actually went on uptrend and came to an end at this point, and right from there it started a downtrend, even though it has gotten to this support zone and was unable to break out below its it was unable to break out below it, so it's going back on uptrend at the moment. Okay, my need to buy till it gets to this region also, somewhere here, and if it breaks out above this, then definitely it should go till it gets to this region. But if it does not break out above this, it will come back to try out this support zone to see if it will break out below it. Once it breaks out below it, then definitely it will sell more. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. until the pullback is over. Okay, that is when it will go back on sell trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God